Hello everyone, I'm back from home. Today I want to introduce two channel 1080p HD camera with GPS 4G Wi-Fi mobile DVR. So here, this is our new package. It will be smaller than before. You can see protected very well. This is main body. Here, this is new. We have added the heat sink. And this is our keyboard. It's a screw. And this is protected well. Okay, so now I will show you how to connect. First, I want to introduce the function first. We can see we add the heat sink. It will be better to dissipate the heat. It won't be very hot. Even the temperature is very high. This is our new we have add. Okay, and you can see this 3M sticker. It will be stronger than before. And these are two lines. One is for 110 degrees for front view. Another is inside view 165 degrees. So it's two channel like a 4G dash camera. Okay, you can see this is SOS. This is Wi-Fi, late, just 4G, GPS, IEC, record. If all function is working, it will be on. And also, if you have some image, you can place in the SOS. So it's very powerful. You can stick it on the screen. You can use the screw to adjust the lens. Okay, so just make the cable. This is the 2mm cable. Just install on your car. Right? Okay, let's show you how to make the device work. First, you have to open the cover. This is screw open cover. You can see here this is SIM card slot. This is Microsoft SD card 1, SD card 2. One SD card normally can support 512 GB. So it's very high and big storage. If you insert in SIM card and TF card, you can make color lock. Okay, to protect. And today I show you how to make it online because we test at the office, so we make the cable well. So this cable we connect. If you test at the office, you make the ACC and the power cable together, GND separate. If you test at the car, ACC, connect the ACC power and the BNC to connect the GND to connect the GND negative. Power connector, cars batteries positive. Okay, because I want to test, so I use the monitor. It has CVBS. You can connect the monitor to show. Okay, I show you with the mobile phone to connect. First, you can use Wi-Fi. You find this is a mobile device and mobile DVR 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to connect. Okay, the password because I have made, so I'll try to for you again. 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, connect. Okay, once connected, use the same as V7 to find the device. So I have to make my center to off. Mobile center, have to make it off. And use this Wi-Fi. Okay. can see this is online, okay, and we have login. We change it to English, okay, and we have to be ADN 1, 2, 3. B. General speak, okay, base setup. Base setup. I change my device number. This is device number I have created in my Sims platform. Okay, save. Wait to select. Sims IP. I have to change our IP. I have to check our IP. Check our IP. So IP. Okay, port is 6608. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is middle client, and our Wi-Fi QOHO.
Similar.
3. We have to sync here. Very easy to see. This is our channel, okay? It's correct. Let's see where it's correct. We can log in. You can see the monitor. You can see which one, not this one. You can see which one is online. This one, we see this one, right? And we can show it's online, right? So it's okay now. Okay. Thank you. It's okay. Okay, thank you much.